Hello everyone and welcome back to Reefs. I'm super excited because today we are going to be reviewing theme pages again. This is part 5 of reviewing my subscribers' theme pages. I absolutely love this series and you guys love it too. I'm really excited to be continuing this series. Like always guys, if you guys want your theme page to be reviewed on this channel, all you guys have to do is follow me on Instagram at ReefsYT and then just DM me the @ of the page that you want to be reviewed for the series. That's all you guys have to do, not too much, and you guys will be reviewed. I do get a lot of submissions though, so if you guys do not see your theme page in this video or the upcoming videos, don't worry, I've seen it and I will review it and I'll try to do as many as I possibly can. You guys like this series and I like making these videos too. We might even go up to like part 10 of reviewing my subscribers' theme pages. We'll see where the series takes us, but yeah, we're gonna be reviewing 4 pages today. If you guys saw your theme page in this video, make sure to comment down below and tell me. Also, let me know if you guys like this series and if you guys want me to do more. If you guys like it, make sure to leave a like and show your support in the comments below, telling me that you guys like this series and you guys want to see more. So, with that being said, we can get straight into it. Oh, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe right now. All you have to do is scroll down like 1 inch on your iPhone screen and then hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notifications so that you guys do not miss another video when I upload. Okay, so we are starting out this episode with luxury class, but the class is spelled with a K. I'm not really too sure about this name, guys. Maybe it's class A or something crazy like that. Anyway, they told me to review their theme page, so we're gonna get started on that. And I like to review pages that are a little bit smaller because it tends to seem like the pages that are bigger on Instagram already know what they're doing, since they would have a lot of followers. They kind of know what they're doing, so I'd rather help out the little guys. So starting off this video, we have this page with 1,000 followers following 2,000 people. They are using the follow followed method to get started, which I always recommend, and I think it's a good method still. So let's check it out. So I like their logo already. I don't know if they designed it themselves, but it's just LK. It's a very nice logo. I like it. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. The cropping seems a little bit weird. It's a little small, but maybe just make it a little bit bigger. And then let's look at their bio. Millionaire lifestyle or daily dose of luxury. DM for business. Pretty simple. Maybe try to add a hashtag for your bio to get your audience to use that hashtag and maybe submit some content onto your page. So looking overall at the page, there's a lot of cars and just luxury, which, you know, it's good. It's obviously good to stay to your niche. It's always good to make sure that you're posting photos and videos that have something to do with your niche on Instagram. Obviously, that's what you're going to be wanting to be doing. As you guys can see, there's a lot of reels posted. So maybe he's taking my advice and just posting a lot of reels. I don't know, but it's always good to use reels, guys. It's a really new feature, and Instagram really likes when you use their new features, and they'll push it more. Also, reels is also really good at just getting a lot of exposure when you're first starting out. So if you guys aren't using reels, I would just recommend that you do when you're starting out, so that you guys can get some free engagement. And yeah, so it seems like they are actually getting a decent amount of likes. Look at, we're getting like around 400 likes on a page with 1,000 followers. That's pretty freaking good. And I kind of like, they are posting really good content. It seems like all the content is structured around the luxury niche, and they're posting a lot of viral content that is stuff that people would actually want to watch. There's a lot of videos on this page, and look at this video. It has 500 likes. That's pretty good, especially when they're first starting out. Let's see how many posts they have. Yeah, they only have 42 posts, so they're relatively new to the game. And yeah, as far as content goes, they're doing a very good job at posting the type of content that you'd want to be posting in the luxury niche. I mean, I feel like cars right now are really in, and there's a lot of new luxury cars and just really high-tech cars that are really cool right now that are very viral on Instagram. So I would say if you're in the luxury niche, that you're going to be wanting posting a lot about cars and stuff, because a lot of people are into cars, so you can kind of get that car niche people, and you can kind of get that luxury people that are going to be interested in your content. Let's check out some of their reels. Let's see how they're doing on reels. So yeah, they're getting around 1,000 to 2,000 views on reels. I mean, nothing crazy quite yet, but maybe if they keep posting and keep staying consistent with their content, that they will get a viral video eventually. I mean, it just seems like a matter of time at this point. They're doing a very good job. I would say continue with the follow for follow method. Keep posting. Maybe do some photos, not just keep all videos. Oh, here's a photo right here. 248 likes. Yeah, just keep going. I would say it's a pretty good page. Maybe add a little bit more spice to your bio, maybe figure something about that. And then I would say fix the cropping on the profile picture, make it a little bit bigger. And besides that, it's pretty good. I would give this page an 8 out of 10. Good job. Okay guys, we are on our second page. Right here we have a dog lover page. I mean, it's a pretty good name. I like this name. It's all, one, there's no dots or underscores or anything in this name, so I like it. A dog lover page, fits well. And it seems like they got a nice profile picture, and they're doing, polls. That's always good to have polls on your story, because the more engagement that you get on your stories, the more Instagram is going to push your content and push your stories further to the top, to where people will see your stories more often. They're using the follow method to gain followers. Always good. And yeah, so it seems like overall their base of their profile is pretty good, and maybe just add a little bit more to your bio. I mean, there's only 2 lines in your bio featuring adorable dogs. Follow for daily dog content. Maybe add a hashtag like I was saying earlier, something to spice up your bio a little bit. And yeah, so it's just a dog page, and they seem to be doing a good job at posting dogs. And yeah, I mean, all their content seems like content they would want to post. I mean, it's all pretty viral content. They're doing a good job at picking high quality pictures to represent their page well and get a lot of likes and engagement. Like I actually posted this photo a few days ago on my animal lovers page, and it did very well. So yeah, they're doing a good job about finding those viral pictures to post. So I would say they're doing pretty well. I would just say continue to keep posting. I mean, obviously they're pretty new. They only have 59 posts, and they just started this page. So maybe just change up the bio a little bit, add some more things, add some more details, maybe add some more like little highlights, is what they're called, down below about some dogs or something to spice up the page a little bit more. Maybe make your own custom logo for the profile picture. Let's check out some of their reels. So they are posting some reels, nothing too spectacular as far as, views go on the reels. Maybe just keep posting a little bit more and more. As you grow, you will find that, and the engagement will come as well. And yeah, so they're doing a pretty good job overall. I mean, they're pretty new. I would just say keep posting, keep doing what you're doing pretty much. They're really doing a good job about picking, content that actually people would want to see if they were to follow a dog page on Instagram. Yeah, so I would say they're doing a pretty good job. Just change up your bio a little bit and it would be better. Yeah, I would give this page an 8 out of 10. That's doing a pretty good job. Just keep doing what you're doing, and, you'll get there eventually. Okay guys, we're on to our third page now. This is 0 happy quotes 0. Oh, I think it might be an O. I'm not really too sure, but it's it's happy quotes, and it's a quote page. I haven't really seen a quote page in a while, but who knows? Maybe they're still popular. And they seem to have a logo. I mean, it's a pretty good logo. It's just a happy quotes. Here's a smiley face, good job. Be happy and smile. Send me quotes that you've made, found, and I'll post them. That's always good. And they have a TikTok page. It's always good to have other social medias to where your niche and your brand will carry on to other platforms. It's always a good job to do that. Like for my satisfying page, I have my TikTok and my Instagram. So yeah, it's always good. And they also have some highlights, which is nice. And let's check out some of their quotes. So be bright, be happy, be you. So it seems like they're just finding these quotes, or people are sending them into the page to be featured. And yeah, so it's getting a decent amount of engagement. They're hovering around 100 likes per post. I think that they could just continue to keep posting, to be honest. I'm not really too sure about how big this niche actually is. I haven't really dived into this quotes niche or anything. I know the business quotes are pretty popular, so maybe these quotes could be popular as well. I think they should just keep following people to get more followers, and then the engagement will come as they keep posting. I mean, they only have 36 posts, so they seem to be pretty new to posting on Instagram. So I would just say keep doing what you're doing. Maybe add something more to your bio to, make it a little bit better for the bio. Maybe just add a hashtag or something to where your followers can submit their own quotes to the hashtag, and that you can use them for your page, and that's always good. I would say they're doing a good job. Just continue to keep posting. That's all I have for these pages that I've reviewed today, is that they really just need to keep posting and keep following people and keep, boosting their audience, and it will snowball. There's a snowball effect on Instagram when you are getting a lot of engagement and stuff and followers. It just kind of compiles, and eventually you'll see your account at 100,000 followers. So yeah, good job with this page. They're doing a good job. I would give it a 7 out of 10. I don't really know about this niche too much, and I don't even know if it's a good niche or not. If you guys could tell me below in the comments, if it's good or not. But yeah, okay, so we're reviewing our last page of the day. If you guys made it to this point, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, we got our last page, Moto slide. I love their profile picture. It's their own custom logo. It's always fantastic to have your own custom logo that for your page. It makes you look a lot more professional when posting on Instagram, and it will drive more followers. It will increase the conversion rate to follows. And yeah, so for their bio, best destinations for crazy content. Creators will be credited. If not, let us know. Come join the army. Come join the community. It says come join the community. Most importantly, enjoy. Good bio. I like it. They have some highlights. That's good. They have some reels. And they have a lot of content. So they've been posting for a while. 700 posts, 43,000 followers. They're doing a good job, I would say. And yeah, as far as picking good content, they are doing a lot of that. I love these before and after pictures. They're always good on Instagram. They always do well on the explore page, and they're also posting reels and then posting a lot of content every single day. I mean, we have like 10 new posts in the last 2 days, which is always great. Make sure to post as much as you possibly can on Instagram. It just helps so much with boosting engagement and getting more followers. Let's check out some of the reels, actually. So we have like 13,000. Oh, this one has 50,000. So it seems like they're doing well. I would say keep posting more reels. I mean, they already have 40,000 followers. They already have a solid fan base. I think if they post more reels, that they'll get even more engagement. And they might have a video reach 1 million views. I mean, that seems pretty reasonable with a page with 40,000 followers. Reels is just insane, and they're actually getting a lot of engagement on their posts as well. I mean, this one has 7,000 likes. That's pretty good. And I would say keep posting pictures like this, like the before and after pictures. Those always do well on the explore page. I always see all of those pictures on the explore page all the time. But yeah, they pretty much know what they're doing, and they're doing a great job about posting and staying consistent on their account. There's not really much I could say here. They're doing a good job. I would just say, keep posting more reels. Maybe you'll have a viral one, get 1 million views, boost you up to 50,000 followers. But yeah, I would give their page a 9 out of 10. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want a part 6 of rating my subscribers' theme pages, let me know in the comments down below. And I love this series, and I know you guys like it too. Also, if you want to submit your page, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at ReefsYT, and then tell me that you guys want your page to be reviewed, and who knows, you might get reviewed in the next episode. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.